am Kurt Hake, and this is my video assignment for the timer app that I built in ReactNative. As you can see, I completed the tutorial videos in Handlebar Labs. To show you the app, I am not using an emulator. I am running the app on my Android phone and screencasting it to my computer. As I will now demonstrate, I can adjust how many minutes and seconds I want the timer to run, and I can start the timer. I can also stop the timer, and obviously if the timer runs down to 0, it will stop automatically without me pressing the button. Okay, so now let's look at the code. Since this is my first app, just about every concept was new to me. So I'll focus first on the different sections of the code. Well, import is pretty self-explanatory. Oh, styles. Styles contains all the information about what the text and buttons and pickers should look like and how they should be organized on the screen. Later on in the code, when we actually create the components, we can simply select from the styles that are defined here. Alright, so then there's get remaining. Get remaining is important because it converts the time into minutes and seconds. Create array is used to create available minutes and available seconds, which are arrays that hold all the numbers of minutes and seconds that are available to choose in the pickers. State. State is a very key concept. The values here are the default state when the app is opened. Of course, the current state is changed by the app functions. For example, pressing start changes the property is running from false to true. In fact, here's the code right down here inside start that does that. Okay. Below start and stop are the pickers. The pickers are a feature that's built into ReactNative. They are how we get the drop-downs that allow us to pick values from the arrays that we built earlier. And then finally, below render pickers, that function, we have the actual components here that are rendered on the screen, including the text and the buttons. As mentioned earlier, the components are set to styles, the styles that we defined above. And that's the basic overview, so that's all for this time. Thanks!